Yep, we got another one today, as we're gonna do it. Wow. Let's check what is inside. So I'm gonna load it up now to know what is inside. So this one of our, how it goes. We always order everything we use online. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. So I'm trying to see what is inside. So what is inside? Yeah, that's just just want to see what is inside now. So it's amazing, man. Amazing. That's some gadget. Some gadget. This is some gadget. Wow. Finally, we see it. This is it. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome.
Don't love finish now. Comment here. One love.